So Clare's Law is a platform that's totally confidential. So the person you're concerned about, for instance, in my case, Mario, would not have been aware that I was getting this disclosure evidence, because I do feel that I was frightened of him knowing that, because it would have like repercussions for me. So Clare's Law, you can ring the police if you feel frightened, endangered, see any red flags. You don't have to have been physically abused in any way. You don't actually, I don't believe, have to have seen emotional abuse. I think it's if you feel endangered or see those red flags. There's a phone number that you can call. You ring it confidentially. You speak to a police officer. They ask you the reasons behind your call. You can say I'm in a relationship with somebody, red flags. In my case, I was not in the relationship anymore, but I was may have gone back, or that's the only way I could have had the information disclosed to me, that I could have been in danger. So they ask for a name and an address. You give them the name and the address, and you tell them the capacity of your relationship. And then they will go back, and if there is any evidence to disclose relating to any concerns that you've got, i.e. violence, abuse, and they've got a history of it, they will disclose it for you. And I believe that in my case, I wasn't aware of it. I had no knowledge of Clare's Law. It was pretty late down the line when I found out about it, and I think that just creating awareness about Clare's Law may save a lot of people. So any time that Murray had been in trouble with the police, and police were called to a property or a location by a victim, if you like, it was all logged. But an NCDV is a no-charge domestic violence, which means that there's been a call for domestic violence, it's been logged as a domestic violence, but there's been no charge. And I was made aware that there was 11 previous, dating back to 2013, and I didn't know until 2021.